This video tutorial is intended to illustrate the operations to be performed during the disassembly, hole cleaning, and installation of a melt pressure sensor. To protect the safety of the operator working on the machine, we recommend wearing safety devices, such as overalls, mask, and protective gloves. Sensor verification. The sensor removal operation must be performed according to two rules. 1. The machine must be at full operating temperature. 2. The machine must be at zero pressure. Once disassembled, the sensor must be immediately wiped with a cotton cloth to prevent damage to the membrane. It is strongly recommended not to clean the membrane with metal or abrasive devices. It is necessary to check that the membrane does not show deformation, signs of wear, or damage. Here is shown a membrane that suffered damage during disassembly. Verify the location condition. The verification of the condition of the installation hole assumes that its construction was carried out following the instructions provided in the sensor installation manual. In order to facilitate the correct execution of the mounting site, Gefran provides a specific drilling kit. The correct hole sizing is also indicated manually. For mounting the new sensor, you must perform hole cleaning operations. In order to facilitate the correct cleaning of the installation site, Gefran provides a specific cleaning kit. The operation must be carried out with the material in the fluid state. Insert the tool into the seat. Screw the cutter stem normally with 1/4 turn steps. Rotate the pilot cutter clockwise until any shear resistance decays. Repeat the described operation until completely cleaned. For construction reasons, the maximum torque applicable to the pilot cutter is 15 Newton meters, 1.5 kilogram meters. If hole occlusion requires higher torques to be removed, the puncture kit should be used following the recommended procedure. It is necessary to verify that the location is still suitable for the installation of the new sensor. Paint the end of the stem with machinist ink or magic marker. Lubricate the thread to avoid excessive friction. Insert the closing stem and tighten it completely at the bottom of the hole. Remove the stem and examine it for checking damage to the transducer. The ink should be intact on all surfaces, except the 45-degree seat as shown. If not, clean the hole thoroughly and re-inspect it until there is no contact, except with the seat at 45 degrees. Unpack your new melt pressure sensor. Gefran offers a wide selection of melt pressure sensors. Sensors filled with thick film technology, M, K, and W series. Fluid-free sensors with piezo-resistive technology, Impact series. Install the probe. To facilitate the correct execution of the sensor assembly, Gefran provides a complete manual procedure. In particular, verify the suitability of the hole. The thread is lubricated with an anti-seizing grease, and the sensor is tightened with a torque wrench set to a maximum torque of 56.6 Newton meters. The last step is to match the new sensor to the machine. For this purpose, you must follow the instructions defined by the manual in the chapter dedicated to the auto zero and sensor calibration phase. The melt pressure sensor is just one of the many Gefran devices dedicated to the world of polymer extrusion. Here is a quick overview of the Gefran offer.